Hello, I'm Hannah from Full Leaf Tea Company. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways to use the vacuum flask tea infuser. This bottle actually has a built-in infuser, so it's the perfect way to easily make a cup of hot tea or iced tea on the go. First, I'm going to show you how to brew tea by placing tea leaves on top of the strainer that's inside the bottle. For this method, I'm going to be using organic sencha green tea, but you can use any tea type that you'd like. First, go ahead and pour 8 ounces of hot water into the bottle, then push the strainer into place. Scoop 1 teaspoon of tea on top of the strainer, then screw the lid shut. Flip the bottle upside down and let the tea steep for the recommended amount of time. Once it's done, go ahead and flip the bottle back over, unscrew the lid, and carefully remove the strainer. Now your tea is ready to enjoy. Next, I'm going to show you how to brew tea by placing tea leaves underneath the strainer inside the bottle. For this method, I recommend using herbal tea, but if you like a strong cup of tea, you can use any tea type that you'd like. First off, go ahead and scoop 1 teaspoon of tea inside the bottle, then pour in 8 ounces of hot water. Push the strainer into place and screw on the lid and let your tea steep for the recommended amount of time. Once it's done, go ahead and unscrew the lid and enjoy your cup of tea. The strainer that's inside will help strain the tea as you drink it, and you can pour in more hot water when it starts to run low. Now I'm going to show you how to cold brew iced tea in the bottle. This method works great for all tea types. First, fill the bottle halfway up with ice, then scoop 1 teaspoon of tea into the bottle. Pour in cold water, then push the strainer into place. You can enjoy your tea immediately, but the flavor will get stronger and stronger as your tea steeps throughout the day. You can also pour in more cold water as you drink your tea and it starts to run low. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to make matcha on the go using the bottle. For this method, start out by scooping a half a teaspoon of matcha into the bottle, then pour in 4 ounces of just under boiling temperature filtered water. Push the strainer into place, screw on the lid, and then shake the bottle for about 30 seconds to a minute until the matcha is frothy. It is then ready to drink. To make iced matcha, use the same method, but this time use cold water and add a little bit of ice before you shake it up. And that's 4 different ways to use the Full Leaf Vacuum Flask Tea Infuser. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at customers@fullleafteacompany.com. Thanks for watching.